welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, in today's video, I'm not only going to pack with you, but I'm also going to provide you with some tips and insights on how you can keep your packing to a minimum and ensure that your suitcase is not only easy to close, but there's also a little bit of extra room in there in case you decide to come back with some goodies. I travel pretty often, so I'd say I've mastered the technique on how to pack. So with these tips and tricks, I think you shortly will be a master yourself and ensure that when you're off for a week, maybe a weekend, that while you're in your different location, you'll have everything you need and you won't need to go out to the store to purchase anything unless you want to. My first tip to ensure that you have all of your essentials for your trip is to make sure you do your laundry ahead of time. Make sure all of your clothes are clean and nicely put away so that when you're creating your packing list, which is tip number 2, that you have everything right there in front of you and you're easily able to visualize what outfits you want to put together. Again, that leads me into my next tip, and that is to make a packing checklist. Now, I hit all of my essentials. I map out my clothes and what I'm gonna wear every day, down to my hair tools and my skincare. Maybe I have some miscellaneous items such as a book or a phone charger or a computer charger. Anything that I know I will need for that trip, I write on this list so that as I'm putting together my suitcases, as I'm putting together my items, I could slowly just check it off the list and make sure everything is right there in front of me. This is also a great way to ensure that all of your electronics are charged, that your items are TSA approved, and that when you're on your way to the airport, you didn't forget something or realize that now the TSA agent is going to take away your $30 hairspray because it is not a travel size. So make sure you put all of your essentials on this list. My next insight is going to be to try on your outfits. Now, I'm going to a concert this weekend in Boston, and the outfit that I thought I maybe was going to wear to the concert, I ended up trying on and not really liking. So I put together another outfit, tried that on, and was much happier with the result, and now that's the outfit I'm wearing. So I like to map out my outfits day by day to ensure that I'm only packing what I need and that I'm not overpacking, I don't have too many options, and I'm just filling up my suitcase with unnecessary junk. Really plan out your outfits, tops, bottoms, belts, hats, whatever you may need. Put it in separate piles so that you have it all visualized for you again and that you can just easily put it into your suitcase. I don't think Lily wants me to go, but now that I have tried on all of the outfits that I'm going to wear and I have gone day by day as to what I'm gonna pack, I have arranged them into various piles. So this is gonna be my jacket pile. I'm bringing a leather jacket, a jean jacket, and then a big fluffy gray jacket. It is still cold in Boston, so I wanna make sure I am well dressed. I have my jeans and my pants here. I got some dress pants. These are all my little tops. I have bodysuits, a long sleeve shirt for the plane, what I'm wearing to the concert. This is again another bodysuit. I have a t-shirt and then a fluffy sweater. And then this is kind of my pajamas, and then I also have a Burberry scarf to go with it. I brought 2 bags, both a black and a nude, various pairs of boots, a pair of heels, and a pair of sneakers. So I'm going to be curling my hair the entire weekend. I don't wash my hair when I go on vacation. I just kind of style it and leave it be and kind of make sure it lasts. So I'm gonna bring a curling iron. I have 2 pairs of sunglasses. Different sunglasses for different moods, so that's why I bring 2. I have a little lip pouch. These are all my lip products and lip liners, 2 palettes, and then I do really keep these kind of cosmetic bags that come with free purchases. I just find them so helpful for traveling. I have some dry shampoo, hair oil, there's texturizing powder in here. This is more of like perfume. I have some makeup remover. This is really nice and great for travel. You can get this at CVS. I put my face wash in there. I also have some Summer's Eve pads, just, you know, anything to keep myself hygienically clean. I have my skincare bag. This is my underwear and kind of my intimate bag. Forgot to mention this. I have some jewelry in here. Again, these come with your purchases and I just keep them. So I have more jewelry I'm gonna pack, but just to give you an idea, they're all gonna be stored in something like that. I have makeup brushes, my makeup, and then of course my book, my notepad, kind of my journal, AirPods, and protein bars. Now my AirPods and all of my chargers will also go in a little container like this, but as you guys saw in the other clip, it is charging. So this is what my packing situation looks like, and I will pack everything in my suitcase and then my Henry Bendel carry on. Now, although these tips may seem basic, they have allowed my packing to go so much more smoothly than it has in the past. I now know what I need for the weekend. I now bring what I need for the weekend, and I'm not lugging my entire life in a suitcase. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please let me know if you would like to see more packing with me videos so I can include those for my upcoming trips, because I am traveling in the near future again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.